This is a short video about using the new mask tool in Adobe Premiere version 2026. So we got some new changes regarding the mask tool in tracking options and effects controls. Let's see an example on how to use it. First, I got a clip that we can use. Let's quickly bring the clip in our main timeline. Let's apply a mosaic blur effect. As you can see, the previous mask and tracking options are not in the effects control panel. Instead, we got a new mask tool here. Let's see how to use them. I will use ellipse mask tool. First, make sure to select the effect in the effects control. Then you can create a mask. Now you can see we got our tracking options for it. Now let's track this first mask. Let's increase the tiles for the mosaic effect. Also make the mask smaller. Now again, let's do it for the second person. Select the effect and mask tool. Create your mask. Now let's track this one as well. So this is it guys. I hope this helped. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks.